All right, guys. Hey, I hope you had a great spring break. We're going to be we're going to be diving into some of our exam stuff. So basically, you're already aware the exam is going to be one free response question based off of prose text. We're going to test Wednesday, May 13th at 2 o'clock. This is a week later than we originally planned. It'll be at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's going to be on your tablets. We're going to be getting some software on your tablets here soon, but I'll get more information to you about that. The test is open book, open note. I don't know how much time you're going to have to honestly be able to do things. So you're not allowed to access people, but it is going to be open book, open note. So however that might help you. But I'm going to post another video later on about the exam. So what I really want to get to is this week's lesson plans. You are going to be doing, you probably should have already watched. We're going to be watching the AP College Board videos, and I'm going to be providing the links to you. Now, most of them are taught by two teachers. These teachers are really good, guys. I wouldn't be showing you their videos if I didn't like what they had to say. Now, the first video starts off with about 10 minutes of stuff that you really don't even need. So you do need, excuse me, let me rephrase that. We haven't done what it is they're doing. It's good just to see what it is they have to say, and it's only just a couple of minutes. So, and then they launch into a lesson about characterization, and I really like what they have to say about characterization. We've talked a lot about characters this year and what things mean, and so I just really liked what they had to say. So, the process is gonna be like this: watch the College Board video, watch my video, which you're doing right now. Participate in the corresponding activity, submit that corresponding activity to me via email. It's a lot easier if you submit them in email to me rather than OneNote. This way I can just reply and just send it right back to you. I'll be giving you feedback and any revisions you might need to do. You're going to be required to do this once a week. I'm going to provide a second experience so that's completely optional. I don't know if you noticed, completely optional here is bold and it's underlined. I recommend the second experience if you're looking to be prepared. Obviously we're working really hard here to make sure we pass this exam. We have been given a gift in my mind, and we're only having to write one essay, so I want to make sure that we leave nothing to chance. The second experience is up to you. If you want to do it, I'm going to put in the work. If you're going to put in the work, but I'm going to leave that up to you. Okay? So this week we're going to focus on characterization. You would have watched the College Board video. If not, that's okay. You're going to watch my video next, which you're doing. Then you're going to need two documents in order to participate in this activity. The first one is a character sheet, basically. It's the character practice. It's just a prose text. It looks like this. It's from the 2009 exam, The Street. It's just a short little excerpt here. And this is what I'm looking for you to do. We're going to give this thing a read. This is the one they're going to talk about in the video. And here's the character chart that they're talking about in the video. Physical qualities, social qualities, moral qualities, or mental qualities. You're going to take these traits and you're going to plug them into this chart, which the chart was at the bottom there. And then it's also, I have it here in the OneNote. I also emailed it out to you, so the lesson plans are here. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to set up this chart. Again, you're just going to send it to me via email. Adjective, text, evidence. What do we learn about the values, beliefs, assumptions, biases, and cultural norms represented by LIT Johnson? So what can we learn about her? How would you characterize her? And what can we learn? How can you prove it? And, what do we learn about her from that? Talk about any of those things. Do this for as many traits as you can. 6 to 10 is ideal. In theory, this is the work that you would be doing in your essay when you're doing some writing. Remember, we write 3-paragraph essays, so you'd probably want to talk about a couple of traits that somehow you tie together that you would be using in these 3 paragraphs. So really 6 to 10 is ideal. 3 is the minimum. 3 is like, hey, I'm skirting by. I'm really looking for 6 here, guys. You're going to email me your chart. I'm going to give you any feedback. And if you have any revisions, you'll resubmit, and that part's for a grade. So I'm going to be asking you to submit those things and give it a grade. We're going to go ahead and do, if you decide to, there's a second experience that focuses on setting. And I'll go ahead and post a second video for that in just a little bit. So if you have any questions, please reach out to me here, guys. I'm disappointed that we're not spending the rest of our year together in person in the classroom, but we're going to make the best of this. So I'll be sending an email out with Zoom sessions. I'm going to be sending an email out with exam information. And I'm going to be sending a second video here. I'll set it up for the setting optional work. So by the end of this week, by Friday the 17th or Saturday or somewhere in there in the next week or so, I'm looking for this chart that discusses character traits of Ludi Johnson from the text. So if you have any questions, get a hold of me, guys. Thanks.